if you're experiencing no sound during calls on your AirPods Pro 2nd generation, then today we are here with some steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially fix this issue. So firstly, make sure your AirPods Pro are connected to your device via Bluetooth, or else simply go to the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone, iPad or other device and confirm that your AirPods are listed as connected. Or else simply try connecting and reconnecting your earbuds. You can do this by toggling the Bluetooth off and on again, or by selecting forget this device and then repairing your earbuds. After that, all you have to do is clean your earbuds, because dust, earwax or debris can block the speakers and microphone, causing sound issues. So clean your earbuds gently with a dry, soft, bristled brush. Use a dry cotton swab to clean the microphone and speaker grills. Then simply reset AirPods Pro. If none of these work, then all you have to do is reset your AirPods Pro. Place your earbud in the charging case and close the lid. Wait 30 seconds, then open the lid. On your devices, go to the settings, Bluetooth and select forget this device and confirm. With the lid open, press and hold the setup button on the back of the case until the status light flashes amber then white. Reconnect your earbuds by bringing them close to your device and following the on-screen prompts. These troubleshooting steps should help resolve the no sound on call issues with your AirPods Pro 2nd generation. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.